Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create simple repeating pattern design in Adobe InDesign. You can use polygon tool to draw a triangle shape. Click on artboard with polygon tool. Number of sides 3. Use eyedropper tool to pick color. Fill color R255 G0 B0. Rotate 180 degree. Copy. Ctrl C. Paste in place. Alt Shift Ctrl V. Fill color R218 G0 B0. Fill color R255 G154 B0. Fill color R255 G199 B47. Use eyedropper tool shortcut I to pick color. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Duplicate Alt Shift Ctrl T. Fill color R138 G0 B0. Select shape and right click and arrange and send to back. Finally, your simple repeating pattern design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create pattern design in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.